What's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. My name is Christiana, and this is my best friend, Hannah. In this video, I'm going to be doing a glowy, natural makeup look, sort of my everyday look, and doing a Q&A. So here's the sit.
Okay, I gotta put my hair up, hold on.
I can't make up, so I'll be asking the questions.
Yeah, I can't make up either, but you know what?
You can make up.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Okay. To take my rose water spray. Don't touch me.
I get that one too. Oh, it's sprinkled on
before
me.
this, I just washed my face with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Cleanser. And then I just put my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream as my moisturizer.
You barely even show the camera. How are they going to know what it looks like?
Because it doesn't focus. Do you not see that?
That's why you're supposed... Like,
no, my camera doesn't do that. Okay. Enough with that. Okay, you can go ahead and ask questions.
Okay. How do you overall feel about your school? What are your opinions on it?
I'd rather not say. I don't want to get in trouble.
It's not like your teachers are going to be watching this.
I mean, you never know.
Well, my opinion on her school is that it's small.
Alright, so I'm just putting my Coachella Naturals California Glow to like get my concealer. My concealer, I hate concealer, so this makes it more like natural looking. Oh, and to get that glowy look, you want to put this on your face, but not everywhere because you look really oily. So you just want to do it in like certain spots. Like so.
I can't make up. This isn't makeup.
This is like skincare. Just blend that in everywhere to get your face all nice and puffy. Okay.
What is your most embarrassing moment?
5th grade, we were running on the field or something, and I was trying to pass this kid who was running kind of slow, and he like went in front of me, and I fell in the mud. And
oh, that's funny.
Yeah, and I got covered in mud, so I had to go to the nurse to get like clothes. Kind of blended everywhere.
Did you like cry? I would have cried.
Probably.
Biggest...
What's your embarrassing moment? Oh, there's too many.
I am embarrassing. It's my middle name. I'll get back to you on that.
Oh, she has plenty, trust me.
Okay, what is it?
I'd rather not say. Okay, next I'm going with my mascara. So this is
Mascara.
the Smoke and Mirrors. Okay, this is the best mascara I've ever used in my whole entire life. And you know where it's from? 99-cent store.
Wait, is it the one that I used?
Yeah. The only thing is it smells like Walmart. Stinks really bad.
Oh.
But
shade.
You know, it works pretty good. So, yeah. So, I was gonna go ahead and do that.
Biggest inspiration in your life? Question mark.
Probably Kelsey Simone. Kelsey Simone is the first YouTuber I ever really started watching. And I started watching her for like maybe about a year ago. And
oh, can I smell it?
look at my eye. I kind of got it everywhere. Hold this.
Not this.
But
I want to smell your chocolate. That's embarrassing.
That is
Hey, there you go. Embarrassing moment.
But yeah, I still watch her, and she's kind of like the whole reason why I wanted to start YouTube in the first place. Who's your biggest inspiration in your life, Hannah?
My mom.
Wow, that's generic. Just kidding. No, I know.
I love my mom.
Me too. Next question.
Dream holiday. Ashley.
Oh,
Holiday in
it's
England
vacation.
means vacation in America.
Dream vacation. I really want to go to Italy.
I want to go to Greece.
Yes, Greece too. Or like somewhere like Bora Bora, or like, you know.
With a cool beach.
Yeah. So I'm just like going in with this very lightly. Make sure every lash is like covered.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Probably travel to any date and time period, like
Time traveling.
1970s in the Caribbean. You know, just like time travel, because it's cheap.
Cheap.
Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup eyebrow brow gel. My eyebrows are pretty dark as it is, but they need something to like help them stick. But I don't need the color, so I scrape it all off. Like so. Just going like that, you know? Know what I'm saying?
For sure.
And then I just brush them up a little bit. Like so. Oh, that's what you don't want to do. Okay. And then afterwards, I just kind of like brush them down with just a brush thing that you can find like anywhere. Sephora. This is where I got mine. I just used it and like didn't throw it away. Okay. I need to pluck my eyebrow.
Someone asked for your skincare routine.
Skincare. That Kiehl stuff I just showed you. And the moisturizer I use in the morning. And then at night I do the same face wash. But then I use this oil everywhere. Yeah. And then I don't cover up like my pimples, anything like that.
What
I don't.
pimples?
Well, I don't have pimples. I have an infection, if you like can't see that.
A rash.
A rash, yeah, I have a rash. Thanks, jeans. Not these jeans, not the only jeans.
I guess I would want to read mines.
Oh, I'm a little late for that. Okay.
Super indecisive I am.
I'm going to do a little eyeshadow just to keep it nice and simple. So I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, you know. Do the shade Peanut Butter. And then I'll do the shade Mousse.
Mousse.
Mousse. So I use my fingers a lot for everything. Don't really use brushes. I think that just makes it more natural, you know.
Oh, natural.
So yeah.
Where is your favorite place to shop online?
I don't really like to shop online because it's hard for me to find stuff that fits me because I usually have to try it on.
Yeah, me too.
But if I were to go online shopping somewhere, I'd probably go to Zimmerman.
Who?
It's a brand. Or, this is not natural. Or,
We'll blend it out towards your eyebrow more.
that's what I'm doing. Or H&M maybe.
What's your favorite store like to go to in the mall?
H&M Forever 21.
Zara?
We don't have a Zara, but yeah, I like Zara.
Well, like any store.
Oh.
You don't have to have it.
I don't like Tilly's. Everybody knows that though. Hate Tilly's. Okay, that's more natural. Okay. Next, we're going to do my blush. The blush I'm using is the Tarte Genius Amazonian Clay
12-hour blush. It's very pretty.
Favorite food?
Favorite food?
Mm-hmm.
I don't really have a favorite food.
You like every
But-
food?
Yeah, I think my favorite like type of food would be like Chinese, Italian, and Mediterranean.
I want froyo.
I want froyo.
What is your favorite piece of clothing?
Pants, shirts, socks.
Yeah.
Is that pants?
Skirt, skirt. Dress, dress.
So using the same oil, I just drop it on where I'm gonna put my highlight. So this makes it just like pop more and looks more glowy, I feel like. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
I feel like I like tank tops.
Hence. So the highlight, everybody asks me about my highlight. It's the Wet n Wild Make It Glow Makeup Stick Highlight in the shade When the Nude Strikes. So what I just do is I just apply it right on. See, there's like no sun left, so I'm like trying to find where the sun is. This is kind of a knockoff of the, oh thanks, of the Glossier, whatever their highlight's called. I don't know what the names are. So, but
It's also got that natural glow.
yeah, it works really well. Very pop in your face, you know. And I just like blend it out with my finger as much as I can.
Would you rather be way overdressed for something or way underdressed? So if like people were to show up in like super casual clothes and do super casual things, would you be wearing like a ball gown, or would you rather show up in a place where it's like super high end, where everybody's wearing like super big dresses?
I'd be overdressed, because overdressed you usually have like kind of like layers on usually. You just take the layers off. You know? I'm just putting on chapstick right now because
Is it colored?
not really. Doesn't really show up. No, I made it.
You
But-
made it.
I melted my chapsticks together and put a little of this red thing, as you guys know, that I love. It doesn't really show up though. I didn't put enough in it though. So I put that on so this can glide on easier. And then this will just about finish the look.
You are a do-it-yourself type of person.
Pretty much.
It looks very fall-y.
Matches my fall shirt. And to finish it off, I'm using my rose water again. Okay. So here's the finished look. You can't really tell my highlight though, but that's my natural glowy look. I usually do this like every day. I don't really put on like contour or like bronzer. I don't ever really do eyeshadow, but yeah, okay. Any more questions?
Last but not least, who do you like?
I don't like anybody.
Right.
That is all for this video. I hope you guys were interested during this really weird random video. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and comment and subscribe. You have anything to say?
Follow me, Han Ken Lun.
Got it.
On Instagram.
Bye!
Bye.